In this video, Little Guy Mini Max and Little Guy Micro Max camper owners share their favorite mods, upgrades, and accessories to give you ideas for your small camper. This is video number 5 of 5 in my Randy's Adventures Wanna Camp Together meetup, Little Guy Max and other small campers, modifications, upgrades, and accessories, extravaganza, video playlist.
Hi, we're Peggy and Chandler.
From Orlando, Florida. We tried our bed every which way possible, and we finally decided on a permanent modification, and it's working great for us.
Great, I'd love to see it. And this is a Mini Max. Okay, what did you do inside here?
So we turned it into a full-size bed.
Okay.
And then we found these little cushions on Amazon that fit perfectly. And then at night, so we have a board that we pull out here that goes from here to here.
Okay.
We pull these cushions down and then we slide our mattress over so no one is sleeping under the curve.
Oh, that's brilliant.
And we put our toss pillows back in that little area back there. It's working great for us. And we just have like a mattress topper, so it's easy to just pull and push back. And then in here we had just took the door off and took it to a glass place, and they cut it to fit and attached it for us for $26. We think it's great.
Oh my goodness. And that makes the place look so much bigger too, doesn't it?
We did it first on the inside.
Oh.
But then we discovered we couldn't really stand here. This works way better to have it on the outside.
Now we have his and hers here.
Now, which one's his and which one's hers?
This is
Inside.
Hi, I'm Stacy.
And Rich, and we have a 2021 Mini Max. And one of the things that we did just this year for ours is we took out the single stair and we put 2 steps to make it easier to get in and out, so that we don't have a larger step especially when we're getting out to step down from.
Yes.
This particular set, when I tried to install it myself, but I saw that the holes were not exactly lined up with each other. So I had somebody else who was able to drill through the supports, but they did it quite easily. And it was something I'm sure somebody could do who has the tools to just drill through these supports. Took one extra one, and now the original one just folded up. So this one folds up and then folds in like that, and then take it down. And folds down. We're ready to get back in again.
Are you guys happy you did the 2 steps?
It's much easier to get
Yeah.
in and out.
Yeah.
It's like
Yeah.
much safer too.
Yep. No, that's a great upgrade.
My name is Karen Stone. I'm from Rochester, New York, and the Finger Lakes area. My camper actually lives on Cuca Lake. And this is the Micro Max. My own artwork. It was in my office, and I retired, and I said, hey, that'll look nice in my camper.
Oh my gosh.
I made this is just a waste can. I made it out of fabric and glue.
Wow, you're very crafty. Wow. Very artsy. I
Yeah.
love it.
The main thing that I changed was I took out the table. I took out the cushions. I haven't taken the Velcro down here yet because I have thoughts that a light frame could be Velcroed there with whatever. But I put in a twin mattress, and that was actually new this year. Last year, I just used the mattresses they provide, but they're not quite a twin, so the sheets don't fit on. And then I was left with plywood, so I covered this with vinyl, shelf paper with vinyl over it that you can get on Amazon instead of just looking at the plywood top.
Nice. And then it protects it too, doesn't it? Or
Yeah.
it gives it a protection there.
Yeah, protects it, easy to wipe off, if you spill something.
Hi there. My name is MJ ONeal, and I live in Bloomfield, New York, which is in the beautiful Finger Lakes area. And just want to show you a few things that I did with my Mini. So first I dropped the spare tire because I do not want to be on the side of the road trying to get my tire out if I need to change a flat. And then I moved it to the front here, and it's bolted and locked on the inside of the cabinet here. So I have a lock, so no one will steal that. I also upgraded to a lithium battery there. And then the next thing I did was to create this awning. So this is made by King Camp, and it's made for tailgating off a SUV. You can buy Keter rope on Amazon, maybe some other places as well. And so that was sewn into the back side here. And then because I have a Keter rail, of course, now I can just slide it up there. So it's held tight up on top. And then I have the posts out front. And that has worked wonderfully. I get great shade and it's withstood some pretty good winds. And the best part is this only cost $100 and the Cuter rope cost $30. So it was very economical. And then the next thing I did was a change on the inside. I'm a solo traveler, so I wanted to modify the inside for me. So I took out all the cushions. I redid the plywood. So I made a twin bed across the back. And then I had cushions made that fit the new space I have now.
So that's a nice seating area.
Yeah.
Both sides.
Yep. And I can fit, 6 people in here because I can sit on the bed. And then the other things are just what other people have done, just like clear storage bins down there. Those are drawers that actually pull out. That stores all my clothes. And my favorite gadget, well, I have 2 of them. One is the Level Mate. Highly recommend that for getting your camper level. And the other thing is this ice cube tray. So you can buy these on Amazon, I believe, and they make huge ice cubes and they last all day. And everybody comes to me asking for ice cubes.
I want to take a look at the leveler so that I can show people. So this is the Level Mate.
Level Mate.
You got it right there. So you just come and look and see what's going on. No, it's Bluetooth, right? So Bluetooth is to your
Yes.
phone.
Yeah, so you have to come in and turn it on and it makes a noise
Okay.
like that. And now it's connecting, searching for my phone. And then I pull it up on my phone. Hopefully it'll come out 00.
We're going to find out if you're level or not, aren't we?
Oh, I'm a 1/4 of an inch.
Oh, that's okay.
So it shows you side to side and front to back.
That's nice.
It's so helpful instead of using a level.
So I'm Chuck Margaret. This is my wife, Annie. We're from Middle Tennessee, and we've been just about everywhere in this thing.
Well, you've made all the improvements, and the only thing that I've done is put the states on the back on the map.
Most important accessory are the good karma flags. They're why we're having the weather we're having.
I love the colors.
And of course, just to make the Max people jealous, we have the Keter rail awning here. So we have everything Pahake would sell us. We have a visor, we have this awning, and we have a full tent. All 3 of which go in the Keter rail. And I showed you this last year.
Yep, you did show us that last year. Yes, if people, once again, I'm going to do a plug for last year's videos. If you want to see how we did that, I'll put a link down below because that's a great way to have a backup camera.
We weren't going to use the receiver back here for a bike rack or anything, so used it for the backup camera. We have just things we've learned from people on Facebook. We have a little fan to circulate the air better when the air conditioning's going. We have a bug zapper, very important accessory. Some of them, I think, come with a cutoff switch built into the shower head. Ours didn't, so we added this little $5 cutoff switch.
Hi, I'm Tim Schuber.
And I'm Cheryl Schuber.
We're from Cuyahoga Falls, Ohio, and we bought probably the smallest thing you can buy and still call it a camper, right?
Yes.
I think so, yeah.
Fits in our garage.
So,
That
yeah.
that was important. Where we live, you can't have them in the driveway. I guess some things were already here. These are the ambient lights, and I keep water bottles in them in the morning, and this makes like a nice glow in the camper. It's not too bright. Underneath our bed, we created a space for the dogs because we have 2 small dogs.
They've got their own little hideaway.
They have their cavy cave.
Oh, this is great.
And we keep our bed turned down all the time until wintertime. And then there is a limited storage in this camper, but you do have all of those compartments in the back. Because the air conditioner is located underneath this bed, it is very hard to get the cool air up here. So if you run this fan, we keep one up here and let it oscillate. And we have a smaller one that we put under the bed to pull the air out. It seems to work. So, and I cover my stovetop because I don't hardly use it with my cute camper thing.
Oh, that is so cute.
I do have my cute light too. I like cute stuff. Let's see that again. It's like a little glowy light.
No,
We have hooks on either side here that if like one person wants to sleep, this lets a lot of light in even when it is closed. So we like have a rod that'll go across here and I have a curtain that fits here. And we can just block all of this area off and it can stay dark. This was our compromise for the table because we can put a lot of things in here and store it. and they lock. I have to take this down and put it on the floor when we travel because the table has to be locked in here. The other micro or micro mini, whatever we are, it doesn't have this little piece, which I was interested in because our table locks in place with this. It has the Velcro, but it also locks in place with that. And I did put curtains and stuff. I like cute because there's like little plants over here too. It makes me happy. It's fun to travel in.
I love it.
Okay, this is how you chill, right?
That's how we do it. Yeah.
I like it. I
You
like
share right, Pookie, Papa.
I hope you didn't miss video 1, 2, 3, or 4. They are also packed with more ideas for you because this is video number 5 of 5 of my Randy's Adventures Wanna Camp Together, Little Guy Max and Other Small Camper Modifications, Upgrades, and Accessories Extravaganza video playlist. Click on the playlist to keep watching so you don't miss out.